Biocon boss hails investigation into the Karnataka heart attacks after, though, there was a showdown, remember, between Kiran Majumdar-Shaw and the Chief Minister of the state of Karnataka. Now there appears to be at least some understanding in what can be done in future. Kiran Majumdar-Shaw has said, and I quote her, "Vaccines made under World Health Organization norms. Sudden loss of lives is painful." And this issue cropped up when Chief Minister Siddaramaiah suggested, especially after the heart attack-related deaths in Hassan district, that could it be because of the COVID vaccines that were administered to people across the country? To which Kiran Majumdar-Shaw had taken offence as well and said such claims are not going to really help. There has to be perhaps more details about what is happening with the heart attack cases, and do not just blame vaccines simply. And now Kiran Majumdar-Shaw, the Biocon boss, has said sudden loss of lives is painful, but the vaccines made under WHO norms as well. Nagarjun Dwarkanath joining me for the latest on that. Nagarjun, this is quite a showdown that we can see on social media site X. Both are, of course, big reputed names of their fields. How has Kiran Majumdar-Shaw reacted in the latest now?
In fact, when the Chief Minister office and CM made a statement that the heart attack deaths in Hassan district might be linked to COVID vaccine, Kiran Majumdar-Shaw of Biocon tweeted saying that it's not right to say that vaccines are causing these heart attacks. Chief Minister responded saying that he's only questioning, and also published a Twitter post quoting AstraZeneca company where it says there might be linkage of vaccine to heart attacks and nothing wrong in questioning. I'm not trying to create panic, but in science, it gives me an opportunity to question, is what Chief Minister Siddaramaiah says. And this morning, Shaw of Biocon has again reiterated that the vaccines were done as per the procedures and protocols given by the WHO, and it is tragic to lose life. Yes, understandable, and she welcomes the investigation ordered by the Chief Minister and the Karnataka government regarding the Hassan deaths. BJP also has hit out at Siddaramaiah, asking him questions as to were vaccines only given in Hassan and not across India. Why is it happening in Hassan? So blaming Hassan heart attack deaths to COVID vaccine is not right, and also trying to trivialize the issue and create more panic is what BJP has attacked. But however, the government has formed a committee right now at this point of time, headed by Jaydeva Cardiology Doctor, former chairman Mr. Manjunath, as well as the present chairman as well. A committee has been formed. The sitting will be done, and most likely in another 15 days a report will be submitted as to what exactly is the reason that these heart attacks are happening in Karnataka.
Tell us about how did this issue erupt, because it started with Hassan specifically. Why did the Chief Minister make a statement? Because clearly the Biocon chairperson realized that this is at odds. It's an unscientific statement. That's why she responded too.
Pooja, in Hassan district, there was a panic struck among the people, because every week people used to die because of heart attack and sudden cardiac arrest. People who were eating food would just collapse on the table. People while walking would collapse on the ground and floor. And when they took them to the hospital, the doctors would declare them dead because of heart attacks. And this had created large panic among the people in Hassan district. And finally, it reached the headquarters here in Vidhan Soda, and the Chief Minister and the Health Minister took notice of it, that this is not common where people are randomly dying of heart attacks in certain districts. And now they formed a committee to find out what exactly is the reason. During the course of a conversation, Chief Minister made a statement. Was it the vaccines that is causing the deaths and heart attacks? Because we have heard about how young people have been passing away due to cardiac arrest across India. Yes, there's an increase of heart attacks, but Chief Minister says that this is post-COVID 2019. Is the vaccine a reason that heart attacks might be triggered, is what he had said. And now this is a full-blown political war in Karnataka.
I just want to quote what Kiran Majumdar-Shaw has said, that I agree with the Honourable Chief Minister regarding asking questions and seeking answers in science. My comments related to whether COVID vaccines were approved in haste. My response was that due process was followed as prescribed by the WHO for safety and efficacy for the EUA. Losing lives in a sudden manner is always tragic. I'm glad investigation is being conducted in Hassan district. Nagarjun, thank you very much for now. So this is what has happened basically in the past 24 hours. There was a recent claim that came in that COVID-19 vaccines may be linked to a surge in sudden cardiac deaths in Hassan district. Now, there have been conspiracy theories over this for a while now. Siddharamaiah responded then to Shaw's statements, saying that vaccines were rolled out globally without complete long-term data when Shaw took offense to Siddharamaiah's statement. And that, Siddharamaiah says, manufacturers have also acknowledged adverse events, including cardiac issues. But the CM then also clarified, saying scientific caution is not anti-science, seeking answers is not retrospective blame. But the Biocon chairperson accused Siddharamaiah that this is misinformation being spread and by the top leader of the government. Vaccines were cleared after rigorous protocols. So we've put on your screens what both these reputed individuals have said. One a chief minister, one of course is as much a matter of pride for India. Now, she added that suggesting Indian vaccines were hastily approved is factually incorrect, scientifically irresponsible. India's top scientists, health bodies then also issued a categorical rebuttal to Siddharamaiah's claims. Eventually, there was a health ministry fact check as well. Top medical bodies like AIIMS, the Serum Institute of India, ICMR are all asserting that there is no link between COVID-19 vaccinations and the sudden heart-related deaths.
Study was commissioned by the Indian Council of Medical Research. And this was a systematic study published in 2023. And what emerges is that COVID-19 vaccine was actually protective against sudden deaths. Not enhancing the risk, but decreasing the risk, reducing the risk of sudden death to the tune of 42 to 49% risk reduction. So there is, from this study, there is no question that we see any evidence that vaccines were associated with excess risk of sudden death.
कोविड से पहले भी ये देखते थे कि लोगों में, यंग लोगों में हार्ट अटैक हो रहा है और ये माना जाता है कि इंडियंस में जो हार्ट की प्रॉब्लम है वो 10 साल पहले शुरू हो जाती है और दैट इज़ रिलेटेड टू जीन्स, इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू आवर लाइफस्टाइल. हमारा लाइफस्टाइल पिछले 15-20 साल में बहुत चेंज हुआ है. डाइट बढ़ी है, डाइट ऑल्टर हुई है, फैट और ओबेसिटी ज़्यादा हुई है और साथ साथ जो हमारे फिज़िकल एक्टिविटी है वो कम हुई है. तो इस सारी चीज़ों से जो हार्ट की प्रॉब्लम्स हैं वो बढ़ी हैं और यंगर एज में ये ज़्यादा देखी जा रही हैं. तो इसलिए वैक्सीन के साथ कोई कोरिलेशन डेथ्स का नहीं है.
जितनी भी वैक्सीन मार्केट में आई उनको वैक्सीन के लिए रेगुलेटर के द्वारा पास तब किया गया और गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा तब पास किया गया जब उसकी सेफ्टी और सुरक्षा के बारे में पूर्ण रूप से हम लोग कॉन्फिडेंट हो गए थे. इसके साथ ही साथ पूरे देश में हर जिले में AEFI कमेटी बनाई गई जो वैक्सीन सेफ्टी को मॉनिटर कर रही थी.
प्री कोविड और पोस्ट कोविड कोई नंबर ऑफ केसेस में इंक्रीज नहीं है, कोई सिग्निफिकेंट इंक्रीज है ही नहीं. सेम मोर और लेस प्लस माइनस सेम चल रहा है. और पिछले 2 साल में हम प्रोस्पेक्टिव स्टडी कर रहे हैं जिसमें हम ऑर्गन्स की भी जांच कर रहे हैं और जीनोमिक लेवल पे स्टडी कर रहे हैं. वो एक स्टडी जा रही है, उसका भी रिजल्ट जीनोमिक लेवल का बहुत ही जल्दी आके पब्लिश किया जाए.
तो मैसेंजर RNA जो वैक्सीन है वहाँ की फाइजर वाली, उससे जो है कार्डियोमायोपैथी ऑलरेडी है. वहाँ की गवर्नमेंट अब तो ये कह दिया है कि आप लिखेंगे वैक्सीन पे कि कार्डियोमायोपैथी ये कर सकता है. ठीक है, मतलब कार्डियक तो उससे भी अटैक हो सकता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे हमने उसको यूज़ नहीं किया. कुछ से क्लॉटिंग हो सकती है, अलग अलग जो वैक्सीन है कर सकते हैं. लेकिन ये देखते हैं कि इसकी कितनी संभावना है क्लॉटिंग होने की और कितना उससे फायदा मिल रहा है. तो अगर क्लॉटिंग और ये सब होने की मान लीजिए हर 10 लाख में 20 से 30 लोगों की संभावना है, जो डेटा है 20 से 50 के बीच में है. तो अगर आप 14,000 लाइफ बचा रहे हैं, जहां 15,000 लोग मर रहे थे उनमें से 14,000 को बचा रहे हैं, तो उनमें से 20 से लेके 30 या 40 के आसपास जो है लाइफ को वैक्सीन देने से अगर खतरा होता है तो भी ह्यूज बेनिफिट है.